Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I got something in the mail. I had been watching videos now, probably a year or so, maybe more than that had a face shield in it. And it was kind of a cool little face shield, had a respirator filter on the bottom, and it looked to be something that would be convenient. And I thought, well, I'm going to wait a little bit because, the price was pretty good, and I didn't want to spend the kind of money just to see if it was something that was worthwhile. Because when you see things advertised on YouTube, you pretty much got to take it with a grain of salt. So recently, I went on eBay and I found that they were less expensive than buying them off the YouTube. Okay, same manufacturer, I'm pretty sure. There were a couple of different styles, so might be older versions, newer versions, lesser expensive versions. In any case, decided to buy one. So what I got was this thing. And in the commercials on YouTube, they had people putting this on, and it was a miracle thing. They were able to do things they couldn't do before because it sealed so well against their face that the respirator kept the dust out. And I imagine there was some other issues that they were trying to exploit or explore that made them more effective and better. So I thought, it does look pretty good. And like I said, I've been seeing those commercials quite a while. So it sounded like something that wasn't fly by night. So I went on eBay and I bought one. This one. And I got it. First thing I did is try to put it on. It does go over my glasses. It doesn't fog up. That's kind of a good thing. But I think it doesn't fog up because it doesn't seal. For one thing, it's too short. It just barely goes to my chin. And I can't open my mouth while I'm doing anything with it. Otherwise, it's going to come down and knock my glasses off. It is designed for someone with a much smaller face than mine. I think that's what the issue is. It's been kind of a joke. I have a big head. I also am not Oriental. Nothing against Oriental people. I think they just have a different facial features. My cheeks go in. And this thing right here doesn't go in. So when I put it on, it doesn't seal here. It's a big gap. If I do this, it seals up fairly well. And it would probably trap most of the dust. Without glasses on, and holding it like that, it actually does seal pretty well. They're always in the commercials, they're doing this so you can see that it doesn't fog up, and it doesn't. That's true. But it also doesn't seal. Just like those cheap epidemic face masks that everybody was running around saying, or, dust masks that people were wearing, N95s and everything else. they don't seal against your face very well. The paper masks never have. I first started wearing paper masks in the 60s, and they never did seal, never have sealed. I don't think they ever will seal just because of the way they're designed. So, if you're interested in buying one of these face masks, go right ahead. I got no problem with that. Just be aware that might not fit you. And a dust mask that doesn't fit is really kind of worthless, because if it leaks dust in around, all it's going to do is let you fill with confidence. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.